Hey, good evening, guys. In this video, we're gonna break down USDJPY using multi-time frame technical analysis. As always, we're gonna start with the higher time frames like monthly and weekly to build the directional bias, and then we will drop down to the intraday time frames like daily, 4 hour, 1 hour to see where we can actually position ourselves based on the directional bias that we're gonna build in higher time frames like monthly and weekly. So let's start from the monthly time frame. This is the last impulsive move towards upside, and this is the last flip area, but price failed to reach this level. But if we drop a Fibonacci on this last impulsive move towards upside, then I can see price is currently beautifully bouncing above 38.2 level. So it's an impulse correction impulse which is playing out right now. Uh, we cleared this high and then managed to drop lower. And right now we are again trying to create a new higher high in monthly time frame. The last monthly candle closing was a bullish one. We failed to clear the low. Overall, it's an insider bar. It's an insider bar, and we can target towards this monthly high on the next candle. Okay, let's see what's going on in weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, the last weekly candle was a bullish one. We managed to close above the high of the previous week. Um, Overall, I can see that price is clearly above this level where the price actually supposed to react downside, but we managed to close above, and right now we are bouncing above from this level. In daily time frame, this is the last impulsive move towards the upside. So I can clearly spot a impulse correction impulse pattern here, a impulse and then a corrective phase downside towards 38.2 and lower, and right now we are bouncing from it. Uh, and this area is perfectly lining up with this flip level, so this is pretty much lining up for a bullish long setup. What we can expect, we're going to monitor price action in this region, and we will start we will look for longs and target towards this high. Let's see what's going on in intraday time frames like 4 hour. We're currently bouncing from this level. At the same time, I am aware that the last daily candle was okay. It's giving me a bullish vibe because it's clearing the previous daily low and closing inside the range of the day before it. So it's giving me a bullish vibe that we are gonna open trade back a little lower and clear the previous daily high. So maybe this is something that I'm gonna add into my watch list for the next London session. I'm gonna start looking for longs here in 4 hour, and it looks like a pretty much safe stop loss for me. I'm gonna wait for a corrective phase down so that I can start looking for longs here and target towards this side. This is gonna be a really good risk reward ratio trade. But I'm just gonna target for a 1:3 if I'm getting the 1:3 at previous weekly high. I'm gonna target for the previous weekly high first. So my plan for the next London session is pretty much simple. I'm gonna wait for a little corrective phase downside, a clearance of this lows, and if I find any bullish momentum coming in after clearing this low, in that case I will start building a long position and I will target towards this high. So that's my views on USD JPY, and yeah, this is definitely something I'm going to add into my watch list for the next London session. So that's it from my side. See you soon on the next analysis.